He will. It's going to cool down up there for a couple of days, and we are going to cool down for a couple of days. One of those days, we might not even get out of the 80s. So that's going to be nice. All right, let's go to a live shot. Looking, of course, back to the south and to the east there. That is Sacramento. You can see the Capitol building there, and you can see not a cloud to be found. Clear skies, and clearly it is hot in some spots. Let's prove it to you. 98 in Sacramento, 96 Stockton and Modesto, Marysville at 101. We should be averaging more like the mid-90s, so at least the northern San Joaquin Valley is right where we should be. Bone dry out there, humidity 12%, dew points in the upper 30s. Winds into Sacramento out of the southwest, they're out of the northwest into the northern San Joaquin Valley, and the barometric pressure dropping off at 29.85. So we're concerned about winds that will start to pick up. We'll get some gusts later on tomorrow evening, maybe gusting about 20-25 coming into the Sacramento area, but they're really going to start to kick up towards some of these fires in the northeastern corner of the state. So that's why we have that red flag warning in place up there, starting midday tomorrow, going to the end of the day on Thursday, with some gusts pushing 25 to 35 miles per hour on the fire lines. But the good news, if there's something to go along with the winds, the temperatures will drop, and the humidity may actually come up a bit too. And watch what's happening here. Here's the high pressure on top of us right now. This dome came back over us, gave us upper 90s, low 100s. Well, for tomorrow, we're going to get back to the mid 90s. We'll have some stratus over toward the coast. It'll push in through the delta. You're starting to see the lines go in this way. Winds will follow those lines. All right, so what happens here? This comes in. The pressure gradient tightens up, and we get those southwest winds. But also notice there's a little moisture coming with this. Might actually increase the humidity on the fire lines a skosh with dropping the temperatures, but the gusty winds are something you just don't want to have, and we're going to have them, so be prepared. Red flag warning situation. So we got low mid-90s for the northern San Joaquin Valley for Wednesday, so pretty close to seasonal. You get around Sacramento, we're back into the wheelhouse of where we should be with a 94, 93 for Vacaville, 96 for Folsom. We'll have downsloping winds tonight, meaning they're coming out of the east for the Gold Country. And then for tomorrow, they're out of southwest. Sunshine everywhere, highs in the low to mid-90s. Morning lows, a couple of spots will be still in the 70s to get going, maybe a 72 for Forest Hill, a 71 for Georgetown. And then up toward Plumas County, you got smoke, you got haze. I mean, Quincy's had some gusty winds today, and the smoke just kind of drifted in on top of you. Probably going to see more of the same for tomorrow. And then over toward the lake, because we have these southwest winds coming in, scours out any of the smoke. So it should be fair with upper 80s close to 90 degrees. We'll have some areas of stratus to get started. Partly cloudy, 70, and a little breezy by the afternoon there for Monterey. Going to have a strong sea breeze tonight, and then tomorrow just a nice, decent little sea breeze, 10 to 20. You'll have a few clouds to get started, then partly cloudy and 63 by the afternoon for San Francisco, and low 60s after some patchy fog up toward Fort Bragg. So let's talk about it. Look at that, Thursday, upper 80s, but it comes with the gusty winds to go on the fire lines. Then we're back close to 100 on Friday, upper 90s, low 90s for the first full weekend of August, and then we're below average Monday and Tuesday. So the roller coaster ride continues right now. We're kind of at the top of the hill. We go down and we go back up. Same thing for a lot of the other 7-day forecast areas. Upper 70s will come with some gusty winds up around Lake Tahoe, and it looks like we'll finally get ourselves at least to the upper 80s for one day or so there on into the foothills, and then it's very warm after that. Tony?
All right, Dave, thanks.